Okay, given a question, an AP calculus test, function f of x equals tangent square of x plus sine x. Find the derivative at x equals pi over 4. So let's write the function. F of x equals tangent x. Let's make it tangent square of tangent x plus sine x. When you find the derivative, we will do follow chain rule, power function. So you remember when we do the derivative of x square, it will be what? Drop 2, keep x, and this will be 2 minus 1 is 1. So it will be 2x. So derivative of something square is 2 times this something. That's the derivative formula. Put down 2 times tangent x, and 2 minus 1 is 1. Times, go deeply inside and find the derivative of tangent. Here. That's chain rule. Derivative of tangent, as we know, it's a secant x, secant square of x. Plus, let's continue with the function here. Derivative of sine x is cosine x. That's the derivative of the function. Let's find the derivative of the function at pi over 4. So f of x, now we'll do it f of pi over 4. F dash of pi over 4. So it will be 2 times tangent, replace pi over 4 for x. It will be pi over 4. Times secant square, like this, form it like that, and replace pi over 4 for x. Plus cosine, replace pi over 4 for x. Okay. Pi over 4 is actually 45 degrees. Tangent of 45 degrees is 1. So derivative of tangent pi over 4 is 1 times 2 times derivative of secant of 45. You know, 45 degrees is right isosceles triangle. If this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, the hypotenuse will be square root of 2. Then secant will be reciprocal of cosine. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, is 1 over square root of 2. So when you flip it, it will be square root of 2. So secant of 45, or secant of pi over 4, will be square root of 2. And then we have to square it. Plus cosine 45, which is adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 1 over square root of 2. Or we could fix it to have 2 in denominator, will be square root of 2 over 2. Okay. So square root of 2 over 2, it's 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So it will be 4 plus square root of 2 over 2. And most of the students, they choose A. We didn't reach A because this is actually not 4, it's 4 over 2. This is not 4 over 2, it's just 4 over 1. So if we multiply it by 2 over 2, then you will obtain the answer. If you multiply it by 2 over 2, sometimes they tweak it a little bit and they give you different choices. Most of the students, they choose 4 plus, oh, okay, this is the answer, 4 plus square root of 2 over 2. No, look at it. Look at it. Look at it and take like 2 seconds to think about. Big difference between 4 plus square root of 2, the whole thing in numerator, and this is just 4 plus square root of 2 over 2. If we multiply by 2 over 2, then it will be 8 over 2 plus square root of 2 over 2. Then you take common denominator, 2. Then our numerator will be 8 plus the square root of 2. So the answer will be C.